Hi, today we're going to code in Qlang and create an instrument table with some attached numbers that we're interested in. And so let's get right into it and start coding. And we're going to return vectors of using an instrument vector as input. So this is what it's going to look like. And we're going to repeat this for all the numbers that we want to express. We want a numeric output. Let's take the quotes. And for that, we can do some copy-paste programming. And we want then the quote side or quotes of this instrument. And then let's continue with the copy-paste programming. We want the duration, some Mac duration, and then we can just switch return function. And let's have also the the dirty price of these bonds that we want to look at. Like so. So now we've made the simple functions where we just return a vector of numbers. And we want to have one extra that's more complex. So we will do this manually. And this one we will have, we will price the bonds off of a curve. So let's do a function that we call myPrice. And we will have the pricing curve at a date on a quote side, and we're going to have also the vector of instruments that we want to price. And then we're going to have the longhand notation with the curly brackets. So let's create the pricing curve first. And then we make a discount function to price off of. And we're going to use the most simple zero coupon extractor that we have, the bootstrap. Let's use a linear interpolation. And then we're ready to return the yields for these instruments, but we're not going to return the market yield as would be the default, but we're going to use the discount function to price all the cash flows for all these bonds in the vector of instruments. So now we compile, it compiles, and now we're ready to insert the instrument table, which is a bit special. It comes with predefined dialogues, so we can set default to today. We will get some real time, and we will have mid as our default value, and we will have a curve from a control. Let's take Danish government bonds, for instance. So now we have the container, so let's just drag the functions into the container and then it's going to work. So the name, we want the quotes from the market, we want dirty price, and we want the duration. And then we want our special price that we priced off of the other curve. So we get another set of controls. So we now need to choose the controls to value from. So let's take the Euro swap curve, for instance. So let's price our Danish government bonds from the Euro swap zero coupon curve, also using today's rates on a mid-market valuation. And now we can see we got yields in absolutes. So let's go back to our code and multiply that with 100 and compile F7. And like so. And as you can see, everything is moving around because the real time is on and the market is up. So it's pricing this in real time. And that's about it for today. Thank you very much.